Hi guys, welcome to Vijay Views. I hope you guys are safe and healthy. So guys, in this video I'd like to cover up on the ultraviolet electric bike launch update and the information. I hope if anyone is looking out for the performance oriented by electric bike, this information would be useful. Before continuing with the video, I would like to wish you all a happy and Merry Christmas. Enjoy your day with your family, friends happily and safely. So at present, if anyone is thinking, "Array, we don't have an performance electric bike, uh, which we really wanted to buy it," I request you to wait till the launch. It is going to happen in the month of March 2022. If not, first half of 2022, the vehicle will be launched, right? So before the launch, don't really be excited, guys. This happens with every vehicle launch, right? So we have seen in the recent times companies claim and the actual expectation really differs. So wait till the launch, go test ride the vehicle if you have an option. If not, at least wait for the exact figures to get it from your friends or anyone, right? How exactly it feels. If they any of them writes it, they can surely share the information. So ultraviolet being on the performance oriented side, right now we don't have any vehicles which can really be in the segment, right? We have Revolt Motors in the entry segment, and other brands we have electric bikes which really doesn't come under performance. So given the figures from the company, it is 7 seconds for 0 to 100, but this is done on the track, right? Not on the Indian road conditions. So this might differ when you're riding it, but given the condition what we have right now in the traffic and the safety purpose, so if at all if you get the vehicle for a test drive also, ride the vehicle safely so that it doesn't damage the brand, right? So they are the startups, so any small mistake it might create a problem to the brand as well. So given the price which is really very high, most of them wouldn't buy the vehicle. But if they are bringing that price into the affordable segment, right now they are pricing around 3 lakh to 3 lakh 50,000. It is the expected price. This might go up or it might be below 3 lakhs also. So upon the launch, we might see the price reveal. But if it is coming around 2 lakh 50,000, 2 lakh 30 or 2 lakh 60 also, there might be more customer who might be interested in buying it in terms of the pricing, right? And in terms of display, right now all the electric bike or the petrol powered also comes with the connected option. You have tracking features, you have the Bluetooth and other options. Ultraviolet also will give you the dedicated app, as well as all the information will be given on the application, right? And the instrument cluster. So there's no different for ultraviolet to give you any interesting features, right? So all the options you'll be having it in terms of the connectivity option. And body, we have seen already this on the KTM RC series also. It is the same body which we get on the KTM RCs, but it might be tuned differently for the electric bike, right? So we have the electric battery which is sitting in the center. So there might be weight which will fall in the middle. So you might not feel the same like you ride on the KTMs, but this might be a different one. In terms of charging, right now the company is claiming around 5 hours for a normal charge and 90 minutes for a fast charge. So this also will be tested once the vehicle is out and the charging infrastructure what we are going to get from the company, right? This might also change you the perspective of what a company is trying to give it. And the given range from the company side is around 130 to 150 kilometers. So this is not the claimed range, guys. This might differ upon the launch. They are still testing out the vehicles, so we have to wait and watch about the exact figures. So as per the company, right now they have 50,000 bookings worldwide, right? So whenever you make a booking for electric vehicle or any vehicle, right, don't go with the booking numbers. This might be a trick from the company where they wanted a more and more booking, right? It's a Indian mentality that okay, if there is a more booking, this vehicle is going to be good. No, that is not the case. So don't go with the numbers. Wait till the launch. You feel the vehicle. If it is okay, if the price is given perfectly for the vehicle for which the hype is given, you can surely try it out. Until and unless you feel the vehicle, don't trust on the booking numbers, right? So we have seen in the recent in the electric scooter segment also, just going with the numbers really doesn't matter for the end user, right? Until and unless if someone is buying and doesn't have any problem, then the brand is really good. So wait till the launch. If you really happy with the product, then you can go ahead and buy it out. I'll surely come live when the vehicle is going to be launched, right? I'll surely come on the YouTube live or on the Instagram. I'll share my Instagram link in the screen. You can check it out. All the images will be shared on the screen. If you have any doubt, please comment down below. I'll reply to it. I'll see you on the next video. Please be safe, ride safe, be happy. Bye.